Moving on in this course, in this video, we will see about reading images and videos. I will open the notes of this chapter here, reading images and videos. We can import OpenCV module like this, import CV2. This one is to import the module. I will create a new file and name it as tut1.py here, and I will turn back to my notes again. After importing the module, we have to read the image we want to display. What is OpenCV? OpenCV is just to work on images, right? So I have taken this image, this cards image, and this one image. So we will work on these two images right now. What I can do, I will first import my OpenCV module. Import CV2. You know what it does? This will import my OpenCV module into my code. Now what will I do? I will read this picture that I want to read. ImRead is a function to read the matrix of pixels stored into the image. I can write cards equal to cv2.imread. This is a function to read images. Either you can specify the full path or you can only name if it is in the current folder. I will let img slash and the name of my this file is cards.jpg. I will use this only, img slash cards.jpg. Now what we have to do, after storing the matrix, we have to display it. First, if you are not understanding what is matrix, let me show you. I will say print cards. Now you will say, what are you doing? Why are you printing out the cards? You see, this is the matrix of the this card, this image. These are the matrices of these images. If I write the type of this and run this, it is like numpy.nd array. So these are just the matrices of the image. Now what I will do next is ImShow. This function is used to show the matrix of pixels that we have stored into the variable. What you can do, you can specify the name of the window that you will see, means the GUI name, and the image, that is the variable that you want to see. And then cv2.waitKey0, this is just a keyboard function. So let me show you. I will write cv2.imshow. This is a function to show the image, and here I will write win name, means the window name, cards, and here I will write cards. I will run this. You guys see it came for a very short duration. Again I will run this, it will come for a very extremely short duration. If I want to see it for a longer time, I can either use some if statements and also along with the datetime module. But OpenCV provides you a method to show it at infinite time, till infinite time. I will write cv2.waitKey0. Then what it will do? It will now never close this window until I press any key on my keyboard. I will press this key, it closed. If I write here 5 and if I run this, you guys see that it just came for 5 milliseconds. The thing that you will provide here will be for milliseconds, okay? I can write here 1000. Again, if I run this now, it will come and then it will just go. I will add one more 0 here. It will stay for a bit longer time. You guys see it is for a bit longer time here. You guys must know that 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second for this. I will also write here 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. So 10,000 milliseconds, this means for 10 seconds. I will write 5000 milliseconds, it means for 5 seconds it will be displayed on my screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. You guys see that it just went off. This is the thing. This is just a keyboard function. It waits for a specific time and waits for a key to be pressed. 0 means that infinite time. Wait till infinite time for a key to get pressed. Okay, if I press some key within this 5000 millisecond time gap, if I press some key You guys see that it just stopped before completing this 5000 milliseconds because I pressed one key. If I write here 0, then means it will wait for infinite time for a key to get pressed. Note, if the dimension of an image is greater than computer's display resolution, the image is not completely displayed, we should resize the image. Yeah, I have kept one more cards underscore large image for describing this. I will add cards underscore large and I will run this. You see that the complete image is not visible to me. I will close this. If I show you the image, this is cards underscore large image. This one image. And if you want to see the dimensions of this image, you guys also see here. It is very large, 3648 by 2736 pixels. So it is larger than my computer's display, that is 1920 by 1080. So the complete image is not visible now. If you want to display the image, you can do resizing, and resizing we will see in the further videos. You can resize this image. After resizing, what will happen? It will get shrinked and then you will be able to see inside your display only. If I increase the size, this is actually 100% image of this. But now in the 34%, the image was shrinked. That's why it was not showing like the one we saw with the OpenCV. This one is ratio. So I will return back into this notes. Hope you understood how to read images. Once again, I would like to summarize. We first imported the module, then we read the matrix of the pixels. Don't think that we read the image. We read matrix of the image. Then we just for experiment purpose, you can say, we saw the type of the matrices, that is .numpy.nd array. Then what we did, this function is used to show the matrix of the pixels. Remember this. This cards variable contains matrix of the pixels, not the image that has been read. It contains matrix of the image that has been read. Then this one is the name of the window. If I make it to card 001, the window name will be like cards 001 only, as you guys can see here. Then what we did, we waited for infinite time for a key to get pressed. Now I will make this underscore large. I will remove this and make it to the previous one only. Now we will read videos using OpenCV. How cool is it? So for that, I will get one video also. Okay, here I have brought two images, traveling.mp4 and traveling underscore large.mp4. Let me show you the dimensions of this traveling.mp4, 340 by 360, and of this traveling underscore large.mp4, 3840 by 2160 is the dimensions. Now what we will do, we will read the video. Now I will commenting out will not show me the image using the GUI. So what I can do, I will write here video equal to cv2 dot, and what is the method here? Video capture. This is the method to read the video. I will write video capture. Then what you need to do inside this, you need to provide the path. I will write ing slash, and here I will write traveling dot mp4. Okay, I guess I must create a separate video and image folder. So I will write video, and here I will write traveling underscore large dot mp. The files, the mp4 files are not in the img folder. These are in the videos folder. Video slash traveling dot mp4. I will also write one heading here like reading videos, and here I will write reading images. Cool. Now here we need to continuously read a video frame by frame. When you read a video, if you have done any kind of video editing, you know that the video that gets played into your video editor, that is like frame by frame. Okay, when you see the timeline of the editor, you can see the frames of the video going on. Python and OpenCV reads video like this only, continuously reading a video frame by frame. So if I need to do something continuously, I will use infinite condition. For infinite condition, I need a while true loop. So this is while true. So I will show you now. I will write here while true, and I will write here that completed and frame and video dot read, and then I will write here cv2.im show, and then video, and then frame. I can even make it to traveling also here. Traveling. I know that you are not understanding this. First, let me complete this. I will write here cv2 dot wait key, and I will write here 0 and 0x ff's equal to k, or k I can write anything. I will write o, and I will make it equal to. Then break this loop. Now I will run this. This video must get played. Let me see. Okay, I made this to 50, and now it will work. The zero you must not provide, else you have to press key all the time until it gets completely executed, the video I mean. So what happened here? Here what I did, I used an infinite loop, and then this video.read function is used to read my video. This, if I try to print this print video, will it show me the matrix of the video? Will it show me the matrices of the video? No. This is not matrices of the video, because video does not store matrices. What it did, it showed me one cv2.video capture, and then it is like that. And here video.read function, this will read my video, and now here this video capture function, this will store my video into this video variable. This will store my video into my video variable. Then this read function, what this returns? This thing returns two things. Completed, one boolean that returns true if the frame is successfully read, and false if the frame is not read. And then the frame that we are seeing, maybe I get this dot read function somewhere. Read, and let it be. This thing will return two things, completed and frame. cv2.im show, this is the method to show an image. So frame, this is just an image. The frame that you see is just an image, right? So I am showing this image, and since I am showing multiple images continuously, it is looking like that a video is getting played. Now what is this condition? If I don't use this condition, you guys see what will happen. It is not working because it is producing me one error, assertion failed, and so I need to take these two also. cv2.wait key, you all know that this is just a keyboard function. 0xff equal to I, and also I need to add one odd here, odd, like this. So this one means that if the key I is pressed, then break the loop. I will press my I, and since the cv2.wait key is 15, and if I key gets pressed, then break this loop. So this is the meaning of this function. If I press some other key, it is not working. So now if I make this to 1, you guys see that there is a relation between the cv2.wait key and the video. The smaller number that you put, the larger the speed of the video goes. Here I have also mentioned into the notes. When K will be pressed, loop will break. cv2.wait key 20, this allows you to wait for a specific time in milliseconds until you press any key on the keyboard. Higher the value in the wait key function means this. Lesser the video speed, and vice versa of course. If I make this to 100 and done this, I don't need to install autopip. So it will first read the video, it is showing like this is a very low speed, so this is the relation between these two. I must also add one ord of k here, like this ord this one. If I forget to mention, make sure to make me remember in the comments. I will definitely then write this. I may even forget, so you guys comment and make me remember, please. So video dot release the video pointer. Now let is what is this video pointer? Release the video pointer means this. I will release this. I will leave this. Then I will destroy all my windows. Why this function is used? Why is this function is used? This function is used to, close all the windows if any window of OpenCV is opened. Like this is one window and it is running because I have provided 100 as wait key. I will make it to 1, so you guys see it will run faster than rocket. It is very fast and just it closed. You can see one error, that is assertion error, just leave it. You are getting this error because when it came here at the last frame, again it wanted to go to this loop, but since there are no frames left, that's why. Now what is this CV tutorial destroy all windows? If I again make this one window activate, first this image came of cards, and then after this you will get the video. So what we do, okay, it came and I just closed also. Now what it does, this function, this just closed all the windows of OpenCV that were used. This is the use of this one function. One more thing that you may know, that is if I make it to traveling underscore large.mp4 and I now comment out this thing, and even if I make this to 1010, and here you can see that it is not like the previous one because the dimensions are very very large. So I hope that you understood this video. If you understood this, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon. So let's meet in the next video.